cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient.
So what we're gonna do now, guys, is address this back hatch. You can see I foamed here, and I did the same thing on the other side, but this back hatch is not foamed at all. It's hollow compared to this. It actually doesn't sound too bad. I think because of the sound deadener that's on there. But anyway, what I'm gonna do is I got this big gap filler. It expands up to 3 times apparently. And I'm gonna put some of that in there. Now I know I have like a gap right here, like a hole on both sides. So I'm gonna use my blade to cut a little hole there, and then I'm gonna use some great stuff, spray the foam in there. Then once the foam dries, I'm gonna put some more of this sound deadening material on it. Pretty much the whole can. Man, I hope I didn't put too much. I don't know, we'll have to let it sit and we'll see what it does. Well, this is, oh man, a huge glare there. Sorry about that, guys. Anyway, this has been sitting for a day or two, and it didn't actually fill, like it filled up in there, but it didn't actually expand as much as I thought it was going to. Let's see if I can get this. So, we're gonna do 2 more cans of it. Alright, so let's cut out a little bit more of it and see if we can see what we're working with a little better. Yeah, see, that just didn't fill quite as much as I would have liked. Although we might not need 2 cans, we might only need 1. that's what you want to see, is that foam like oozing out of there. This is 24 hours later, and this is with 2 cans. See, you can see it all nice and dense in there. Oops, sorry. Man, my camera skills in this video are not very good. But you can see it all up in there. I didn't put any here because of that latch, but the door latch still works. Some of it dripped and fell on my amp rack here and scuffed it. I had to pull it off, so that sucks. Anyway, all right, so what I'm gonna do now is like pull all this off, right? Get all that smooth and flat. And then I'm either gonna pull this excess off of here and then kind of clean this up. And then I'm gonna put some more of this sound deadener that I have to cover the whole back hatch. The whole back hatch will be that blue sound deadener color. Guys, sound deadening and foaming this back hatch made a huge difference. I don't know if this is going to carry over on the video, but check this out. I mean, there's no echo there at all. That is just like dead, dense. I mean, you can even feel it in the door how heavy it is. Like it won't even stay up. I have to like push it all the way up for these gas shocks to work, right? And then we got the hole covered. You know, at least it matches there, and it covers all that ugly looking foam, but it looks all right.
Your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top?